Hello, friends. My goodness, it's been a minute since I've been on YouTube and wanted to come back and greet everyone and saying thank you. Thank you for those that stays still supporting, still subscribed. I want to come back and just really continue to share this journey with you. As you know, I am on an elevation journey, as many of you guys are. And it's March, and I'm excited to be here. I missed it. I missed the community. I missed the connection that I've had with everyone, and I'm looking forward to continuing to growing this community. And I, too, had a setback. I had my setback with life. Life is lifing, as everyone knows. And I needed to take a step back. I needed to take a step back and readjust some things and just really refocus and strategize as I plan on moving forward. And that's really what it is just I needed to really take a step back and really refocus on things, knowing the things that's important to me, the things that's vital, knowing this community is a community that I love. I missed it. It was a setback, but the beauty of setback is it sets you up for greater things. And I really believe this allows me to just really take a step back to reprioritize so it could set me up for greater things. I am in a journey of elevation. I am in a journey of growth. I am in a journey of empowerment, empowering myself and empowering others. Nothing I get excited about more than this. You know, this journey is not just to show up to share with you, but it's my day-to-day life. I'm journaling and sharing with you and letting you know, as I'm letting myself know, that anything is possible. Anything is possible. You know, we all have the same breath. We all have the same amount of time, 24/7. It's prioritizing. And I'm learning to reprioritize. Definitely take care of myself. Self-care is of importance. Can't let that go by the wayside. But the other things that's there, the things that you might have put on your plate as, okay, this is what I'm going to do in, 2025. I know I speak about 2025 and the things to do. They're still there. 2025 is still young. There's still various opportunities to grow, to evolve, and to make the most of it. 3 things that I want to really focus on. Focusing on taking care of yourself. Self-care is something you cannot do away with. It catches up with you. Illnesses catches up or whatever. Take care of yourself. Take care of your mental status, making sure that you're good mentally, making sure that you're steadfast. Create what I'm learning and what I want to share with you. The second thing is to create your day on paper before you even step out of bed. I'm learning to create my day on paper. What am I taking on today? What are the things that I'm going to put forth? What are the things that require max effort? What are the other things that don't require that? Just really making sure that I'm setting myself for success. I'm setting my priorities in order. I'm setting myself in a way where it's not a guessing game. It's not, kind of fly by the wayside, but just deliberate action, deliberate steps, deliberate things that's going to lead me to my journey to where I want to go. We are all in an elevation journey. I've said it numerous times, and I'm remaining in my elevation journey. But baby, rest assured, I am going to journey. I am going to push forth. I am going to do whatever it is that I need to do to excel, to thrive, and to grow. One of the things that I come to realize, we all start with the same way, and to think about it, growth is our birthright. Growth is not something you could just, skip over. Life is about growing. We were all in the belly. We were all there, not able to do anything. Then we were born, and the highlight for that, a new birth. And then we're able to raise our head, lying flat down. There's something phenomenal about a child. You see them raise their head. You're like, oh my gosh, they're able to do that. It's exciting. So it's growth. They're not just lying there. They're able to raise their head. Before you know it, brother man or sister girl is rolling around. They are rolling. They're moving. You're like, what? My child is rolling. That's growth. That's part of the growth process. It's happening. It's exciting. I know when I experienced that as a new mom, I was like, oh my gosh, my baby girl, my first child is a girl, it's a daughter. And I was elated that she was able to do that. Just seeing that, I was like, oh my gosh, she survived. At first, I didn't know, how I was going to do as a parent, because this was new to me. I'm like, ooh, we made it. We made it to this phase. And I couldn't wait to see more to come. I remember it very vividly. And she's in her 20s now, so she's not a baby anymore, but it was such a fond moment when that happened. And then first steps was phenomenal. First steps, and there's a fall, and you're like, kind of rushing to help, and so on and so forth. But that fall led to many other falls, but keep getting up and keep trying, keep pushing forth to the point where, walking unassisted without holding on to things was kind of wobbly, but it happened and it was exciting. Can you relate? Are you a parent? Have you been around children? I think you can relate to what I'm saying. You know what I'm talking about. Just seeing that and realizing how exciting that is to see that. That's just part of life. And then that little person starts running. You're like, what? They're running. Are you kidding me? They were just born yesterday. They're running, and there's growth with that. There's excitement, there's birthdays, there's milestones, there's celebration. And that's what I want to stay focused on. The milestones in life, the celebration, the great opportunities, These are all things that we get to participate in. We can't lose sight of that. We can't cheat ourselves. We can't jump the gun. These falls, the setbacks, it's for us to get up and keep going. To get up and keep pushing forth. To get up and keep believing. Keep believing. And my next one is faith, having faith in yourself, your abilities, your dreams, your passion. You have got to learn to believe in yourself before anyone else can. I have got to learn that lesson. I had to take a course at that lesson and just realize, okay, what are your dreams, girl? How are you believing in it? How are you going to show up for it? Believing in yourself, believing in your dream. Whatever God has put in your heart, it's yours. Yours to realize, yours to accomplish, yours to see through, and yours to thrive in. Yours to thrive in. Realizing stuff like that, it's freeing, it's freeing, because it's like there's no one that's gonna come and, live my life for me or save me or whatever. That's not necessary. We have all that we need. We've been trained to keep getting up, to keep going. So I'm here today to show you that I'm going to keep getting up, to share with you that I'm going to keep getting up. If you're in a journey of elevation, keep getting up, keep showing up, keep thriving, keep believing in your dreams, keep fueling whatever it is that's in your heart, that is your passion. It's your birthright. It's your birthright to thrive. It is your birthright to grow, to develop. You are not stagnant. You are not meant to stand still, to stay put, and to be hush, and just to exist and repeat month after month, year after year. That is not it. There's a lot of living to do. So, my friends, live to the fullest. Give yourself an opportunity. Show up for yourself. I'm showing up for myself, regardless of what it feels like. Show up for yourself. Develop that I'm not quitting. I'm not giving up. I'm not shutting down. I may be knocked out, but I'm getting up. I'm showing up. I'm going to stay resilient. I am going to stay the course. If there's any fight left in you, give it what you have. Push forward. It's an opportunity. There's so many opportunities. This YouTube journey is amazing opportunity. There's various other opportunities, online opportunities, whatever it is. And I know a lot of you, you work, you go, you fuel someone else's dream, your day-to-day activities. You go and you do that. But take care of yourself too. Create something that you can be proud of. Whatever it is that you've been dreaming about, if you're middle-aged or whatever, it's time to activate on it, to take action. Any action is better than no action. Any action. Even if it's reading a book about the thing that you're passionate about, so you could learn the skills and see that it's okay, you can do it, do that. Do whatever it is that you need to do. But I encourage you to keep going, keep striving, keep showing up. I'm here to show up. I'm going to keep showing up. Am I going to fall? Yeah, I may. But guess what? I'm not quitting. I'm not leaving it all behind. I'm in a journey. And that's the beauty of a journey. There's ups and downs, There's roadblocks, there's stop signs, there's detours, there's any and everything that comes with it. But there's resilience, there's gutsiness, there's consistency, there's showing up. And even if consistency don't look like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, it could be Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Thursday, but it's getting up and showing up and keep being the best version of yourself. This is the only life we get to have, my friends. Let's really learn to make the most of it. Let's learn to love it. Let's learn to thrive in it. Let's learn to do the things that we're excited about. It's good to fuel others, but fuel yourself as well. And enjoy the beauty, the joy, the opportunity it is to create something out of nothing, or to add to something that you already have, but to give yourself a voice, to make sure that you didn't give up on yourself. You're not sleeping on you. We go to work, 9 to 5, 7 to 3, whatever your shift is. You ain't sleeping on a job. You are awake, you're alert, you're doing it. Because you have to pay the bills. I understand, I get it. But what about your dreams? What about your goals? What about being intentional with the things that matters to you? That is going to pay dividends. Your future self, standing in the gap. A lot of times we say, you know what? Things change with me. It starts right here. I say that to myself, but I got to keep showing up for it to truly start right here. Also just be words, communication, words that doesn't stand that doesn't go too far because there's no action. Let's be action oriented. Let's really give our dreams a goal. And I'm not just speaking to you, I'm speaking to myself to keep going. I am not quitting up on me. I am not quitting up on me. Tell yourself that day after day. I am not quitting on me. I'm not giving up on me. I'm not. You've got to tell yourself these things. Months are going to happen. We're almost a quarter into the year. A quarter into the year. That's a lot of time. That's months. I know for me, a quarter in, I had to say, wait a minute. What did you commit yourself to? Go back and read those things. Go back and refocus. Go back and get re-energized. Whatever it takes. Develop that backbone, that mentality. No hold barred. Hello, this is it. Time is of the essence. Time is of the essence. The time is now. The time is today. The time is not yesterday. Whatever happened, happened. What didn't happen, it didn't happen. But today it's happening. Today you're showing up. Today you're delivering for yourself and others. Those are the things that matters. Giving yourself no opportunity to quit. No opportunity to hold back and feel defeated. There are no defeats. Defeats only happen when you stop dreaming, you stop showing up, you stop believing, you stop focusing, you stop making it happen. Complacency leads to that. But that's not who we are. Are you kidding me? We're on an elevation journey. However it looks, keep elevating, my friends. Keep showing up. It's not going to look perfect. It's not supposed to be. It's life. But it will get done. You can do it. I can do it. So let's do it. Let's journey. Let's continue. I'm back and I'm excited. I'm grateful. Thank you. Let's continue. As always, be good to yourself and be good to others. We've got this. See you next time. Bye-bye.